Transport for London (TFL) was founded in July 2000 and headquartered in Victoria. It is a local government agency that is responsible for the management of major transport systems in the Greater London metropolitan area. Transport for London has three main units, including London Underground, Crossrail and Surface Transport, each of which is responsible for the management of different means of transport. London Underground is responsible for the operation of the Underground Railway system, often referred to as the Tube, and is also in charge of managing and supervising the maintenance services. Crossrail is responsible for the coordination work with Department of Transport to build new railways. Surface transport consists of London buses, London river services, tram, London congestion charge and so on. Each of these three main transport units in TFL have their own corporation identity by employing different colored roundel logos. In addition, the TFL Surface Transport and Traffic Operations Center monitors and coordinates official responses to traffic congestion, traffic incidents, and other major events taking place in London. Now moving on to a competitive landscape and advantages. A certain level of privatization is applied to private sector franchisees offering underlying services together with subsidiary companies. Certain level of competitiveness granted with private sectors is able to enhance the quality of services with lower prices. Meanwhile, TFL never stop improving themselves to provide better customer services. According to their most recent annual report 2015 and 16, they invested more than £3 billion a year in improving transport infrastructure. And combining with development of technology, customer service are improved by a number of aspects as follows. Oyster card and contactless payment make travel easier. By statistics, 7.5 million journeys a week were paid for using contactless. Wi-Fi services are extended to enable free travel information. Refund is made to everyone affected automatically when there is severe disruption on the underground. Data of 61 car park is available with 23 of those offering live information on parking space availability. More than 25% of tube stations are now step-free. All 22,000 licensed taxi cars accept card payment and contactless payment from October 2016, and 100% coverage of wheelchair access is enabled on all taxi cars. Now let's look at TFL's operation strategy. The objective of TFL is to keep London moving, working and growing, and make life in London better. TFL manages one of the world's largest bus networks, with more than 9,300 vehicles in the fleet. TFL's subsidiary company, London Bus Services Limited, plans routes, specifies services level, and monitors service quality. It is also responsible for around 50 bus stations and more than 19,000 bus stops. Most bus services in London are outsourced to private operators. The most important goals of transport operators are fast, simple and convenient connection points between services, efficient movement of passengers, minimal obstructions, revenue generation, passengers and vehicle safety and security, ticket sales, minimizing operating costs, transport operator facilities and equipment. TFL has a fundamental problem, which is congestion. Passengers usually need to experience long wait at the transfer bus stop due to the traffic congestion caused by inefficient operation management. Long waiting time not only adversely impacts passengers' traveling experiences, besides, due to the delay of transit vehicles on the transport route, it can cause passengers to experience long wait, also cause the traffic congestion in some route paths. With so many bus stops to manage, TFL is facing a